Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we have a 2019 BMW 750i. So we've showed you in one of our videos how we found the power accessory here for a dash camera. And now we're just going to show you the final result of how the dash camera is all installed. So obviously in the trunk, the wires, everything is closed. We have the back camera here on the rear windshield. Front camera, we have all the way in here, nice and clean, all behind the mirror. All the wires are running through the liner on the top, everything clean, nice and invisible. And we have everything going through the vehicle liner. For more videos on dash cam installation and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.